Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming hardware and basic settings so you avoid chasing phantom problems. First, check physical knobs, headset inline controls, and connections, then open Settings System Sound and pick the correct output device. Once selected, adjust the master volume slider so it's audible and open Advanced Sound Options to confirm the app-level volumes. Make sure no app is muted. This prevents common conflicts. If the device is missing, pause here. You will reinstall drivers in the next step. Next, you tackle drivers and system services because most persistent volume issues hide there. Open Device Manager, expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, right-click your audio device, and choose Update Driver. If that fails, uninstall then scan for hardware changes to force reinstall. Once done, open Services, restart Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder so settings reload. Then run Settings, troubleshoot other troubleshooters playing audio, apply suggested repairs. These steps reset drivers and services, resolving mismatched state and corrupted To finish, you address advanced configuration and fallback options to restore reliable sound. Open device properties for your output, change the default format to a standard value, and uncheck exclusive mode options so apps can't hijack audio. If problems persist, roll back the driver or install the OEM package from the manufacturer. Alternatively, test with a USB audio adapter to isolate hardware. Once done, verify volume in multiple apps. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, create a new user or perform a system restore to a date when audio functioned.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.